Hey there, Kyle here, Dryer Vent Guys. So what's included in a dryer vent cleaning? First of all, I'm going to tell you what has to be included and then some other things that might be included. So no matter who your dryer vent technician or your dryer vent cleaner is, they should be cleaning out the cover on the outside, the pest guard if there is one. Now make sure it's not against code. Screens are against code for the dryer vent. The ductwork from the cover all the way to the inside into the laundry room, that main ductwork, that needs to be thoroughly cleaned. And then the transition duct, which connects from the back of the dryer to the ductwork and the wall or ceiling or floor. So the transition duct off the back of the dryer, the main ductwork going through the walls to the cover and pest guard if applicable. Those non-negotiable, that's what should be included in a dryer vent cleaning. Sometimes you might have additional things included, one of which would be cleaning the back duct of the dryer. So there's a duct that comes off the back of the dryer. That should be included too typically, but could technically be optional. The lint screen, which you pull out and clean before every load, that should be cleaned out typically with a cleaning, but sometimes that might be optional. And then cleaning the lint trap could be an additional fee, could be included, or could not be included at all. That is going to be getting in there and with a brush and hose to clean out real well in that lint trap area. Some technicians might also clean out the inside of the dryer, they might call it a delinting or dryer appliance clean out. That's where they open up the dryer and clean out all the lint in there around the heating element and all around where the lint escapes, because it's not all airtight in there. So lint will escape, and sometimes more than others. And so that is sometimes you'll have a technician or a dryer vent cleaning company that will include that with their service. Sometimes that'll be an optional service, and then sometimes that'll be something that they recommend to be done by an appliance repair company. A lot of times it takes additional skill and expertise to open up the dryers, and so a lot of cleaning companies recommend having that done by an appliance repair technician because of the complexity of opening up the dryer and making sure everything's put back properly and still in good condition. So important service to be done. A lot of times it's not going to be included. Sometimes it might be an additional service you could ask them to perform, but if so, make sure that they're very experienced, licensed, insured in order to be able to perform that service. And lastly, you may encounter probably the majority of dryer vent cleaning companies will not offer that service at all, but as much as they might recommend it, they're going to recommend an appliance repair company to open up the dryer for liability reasons. All right, hope that answers questions. Thanks.